Welcome to our lesson on meiosis. The key questions for today are: what is meiosis? What cells are formed during meiosis? How does meiosis take place? Why is meiosis important? Is meiosis part of asexual or sexual reproduction? These are the key terms that you will need to know. Meiosis, diploid, haploid, gametes, replicate. Meiosis is a type of cell division that occurs in the reproductive organs. In humans, these are the ovaries and the testes. In these organs, cells undergo cell division called meiosis, creating gametes. The gametes are egg cells in females and sperm cells in males. These gametes that are created are haploid cells. This means that they have half of the number of chromosomes that normal cells or diploid cells do. These haploid cells are formed because the process of meiosis involves two divisions. Task: where does meiosis take place in a male and what gametes are produced? In males, meiosis takes place in the testes and sperm cells are formed. During meiosis, the cell's genetic material is copied. A process called crossing over then occurs when some genes are swapped on the homologous chromosomes. The cells then divide during the number of chromosomes and a meiosis I division. This produces two cells that are not identical but contain the full number of chromosomes. These cells then undergo a second division to make four cells that have half the number of chromosomes. These all contain different genetic material. Homologous chromosomes are those that contain the same gene sequence. This means that during crossing over, the same genes are swapped. The chromosomes may have different alleles or forms of the gene. This is what gives rise to extra variation in the offspring, along with the fact that the gametes of two parents are required for fertilization. Task: why is it important for gametes to have half the number of chromosomes compared to normal cells? During fertilization, two gametes fuse to produce a zygote. This is a diploid cell containing the full number of chromosomes, half from each gamete. The zygote then divides by mitosis to form many other identical cells in an embryo that can then differentiate to become the different parts of the body. It is important that the gametes have half of the chromosomes compared to a normal cell, so that the correct number is restored during fertilization. This prevents the zygote having too many chromosomes. Task: complete the table, ticking to indicate if the statement refers to meiosis, mitosis, or both. Meiosis occurs in the gametes to produce gametes, all of which are genetically different. Mitosis produces genetically identical cells and is used for growth and repair. Both types of cell division involve DNA replication, but the crossing over and two divisions that occur in meiosis give rise to variation. Extension: look at the drawing of a cell before cell division occurs. Draw a cell formed if this cell was to divide by meiosis and if it was to divide by mitosis. The cell formed by meiosis would have half of the number of chromosomes. The chromosomes are represented by the lines, so it would contain one long and one short line. The cell formed after mitosis would be exactly the same as the cell before the division. Task: try this AQA exam question. The diagram shows two patterns of cell division. Cell division type A is used in gamete formation. Cell division type B is used in normal growth. A. Name the two types of cell division A and B shown in the diagram. B. Name the process in which an egg and sperm join together. C. Cell 1 contains 46 chromosomes. How many chromosomes will there be in cell 10, cell 14? It is important to remember that meiosis only occurs in the reproductive organs and produces gametes. This is the only place that we would see meiosis happen. Any other cell division would be mitosis.